Brooks back again with my late 60s or late 70s Comfort Air window air conditioner made by Heat Controller Inc. Well, yeah. This is a 9000 BTU per hour. I have older videos of this from the old house and even from this house, so those will be posted eventually when I get around to doing that. I'm going to space everything out, don't want to rush into it. Like I said, it is a twin. So what you do is you put your window in between here, and the window keeps the outside noise mostly outside. It's a little bit loud on the outside portion, but the window does really help to keep that noise out. One vent on each side. That's what the back of these look like. Yeah, they're a pretty good unit. They're pretty well designed. Not the quietest thing out there, but not too bad either. I just made a short video of this running for flicker, so hopefully the compressor's head pressure's dropped and we can move on. Grill does come off. It uses a magnetic strip and a bar of steel, a strip of steel actually. Anyways, this is the controls. Off, fan, low cool, high cool, close open on the vent, and it should kick on, hopefully. And yeah, photos on Flickr of the tag will be coming, like I said, in a week or so, maybe. No promises are made. So anyways, I don't know, can you see the vent in there? Yeah, you can. Wrong dial. So that's a little vent. I don't know how well that works, but I guess it's there. Anyways, I'll put it like that. Fan only. It's a decently, not too bad on the inside part. Oh, another neat thing about these is this pops up 2 positions. That's all the way up to blow it more straight, and a little bit of tilt, and then flat. So anyways, let's put it down here. And there. Low cool, high cool. So compressor water. So, like I said, this isn't the first fire up. The other video had the first fire up and it rattled a little bit, but it is what it is. It's probably been a year since I fired it up too. Yeah, it works good. Blows cold. Blows pretty warm out the back too. But anyways, yeah. More videos of this to come in the future when I get around to it. Thank you all for watching. Have a good day.